Okay, everyone, welcome back again to my libraries codelibrary.net tutorial. In this video, I would like to talk about how to create new project and following step by step from beginner. Okay, let's get started to create new project and learn how to build step by step ASP.NET web application from scratch with me. Okay, now in this video, in order to build a new web application in ASP.NET, and you need to follow some instruction. Okay, in this I will talk about how to create new ASP.NET Core MVC projects. And in this, in order to run it, we need to run via terminal, and we use some command to create new project, such as the .NET new MVC, and we will use this command for running via terminal in order to create new project. And we'll create some new directories such as controllers, model class, and another directory that we will see in a project directory after we create new project already in this video that we will learn from scratch and step by step to create new project. And we will see how the directories store the files, and we will know each of directory. In order to start, we will run via terminal, and we can open the terminal via in desktop. You right click and you can see open terminal, and you click open terminal to open command line application, or open terminal to run in order to create new project. Okay, when here, and you can see the path where you can store project after we create the command, or after we run the command, the project will be created. And you can select where the path that you want to store the project. Okay, because the project is stored in directory as a path, and you will store and save it. And you must be make sure where you store your project directory after you run command and create. And in my computer, I switch to drive D, and I use CD, and I can use D to switch my directory, and I will run this command line to create new project. So you can say after you switch path directory already, you can see .NET new MVC keywords, and then space. So then you can space and minus and O's, you type O's, and then you can name your ASP.NET Core web application here, because this is the command that you will after you run the command, the project, your project will be created and stored via the directory that you are running. Okay, after you press and hit and press enter, you can see some information relevant to your project that have been created in the same directory. The project is created via the template, use pattern, model view, and controller. And the project is was created successfully. It will show the information here, and you can see some information that relevant to information about our ASP.NET Core MVC project. Okay, and you can see the project name. So after you can see the project is already been created, you can go to project that you can type command cd. Okay, and you type command cd, and then you can switch. Okay, you can type cd, and you can see a name of the project, and you can type the name of project in order to we go inside our project directory. We can cd and the name of our project directory, and we can press hit and press enter, and now we one step goes inside our project directory. It's called e-commerce app. Okay, now you are standing in e-commerce app because we already been created via the command. We create the new project, so you can check there in order to make sure that our project, okay, our project is already been created, and you can see the components, component of project directory such as files and directories inside the projects, okay, such as the controller, such as the model class, such as the model directory controller, and other ways more and more in our project that I will describe in next video, and also in this video, and I will describe more in next video also. Okay, now after you can see our project directory being created, you can go to our IDEs in order to develop by using the code to develop our web application, and you can see the information about components of our project directory such as files inside here. By you can use the command to check directory and simple files in our project directory. Okay, and now you can go to IDE and in order to edit codes or make change code to such as run the project, such as create. You can write code dots, and you will open the IDE is VS Code, because we use VS Code as the simple directory base IDE for our IDE, okay, code editor. Okay, now you go inside the IDE and you can open your project now called e-commerce app, and you can see each directory and the name of directory that it's a component, main component, and directory or a file inside the project, and it function that used in our project such as the controller. Okay, and I will detail inside this video, or also in the next video step by step. Okay, and you can see another project directory such as the controller, model, class. Model is stand for data, okay, that represent the DBO, that's data, that store data. Okay, and another way is you can see many directory that will work inside the project, okay, that we will use and work inside the project, okay, such as the model class and the directories controller, okay, and you can see many more. Okay, and W3 root is contain web asset that we will work with JavaScript, we will work the CSS, and we will work with externals, okay, external such as the bootstrap, and also program.cs and controller, okay, and program.cs is file that config dependencies, and for running config web application running config, and another projects such as view, okay, and many of types, many types of project that we will project directory or file we will understand step by step. Okay, such as the controller also, that controller is stand for action method that it work more cooperates, okay, between view and data, or between view and model class. Okay, in this we talk about controller. A controller is contain many action method. It is one of class in C# inside the .NET ASP .NET Core project application, that it function is contain many function that we call action method. That this method is call data and get a request from client via browser and send a request to browser to servers, and it will get a response from server and send back to client also. And this is the app setting registration file that it contains the information about the project, such as the project types, such as the environment that we stand and running on localhost, the port that we are running, and environment, okay, environment development, and it also exists, or it have the place, okay, for the we put the connection string that we can connect and working with database also. Okay, it's all the directory and file, main file, and that we working with to config, okay, that we will talk step by step for next video also when we build. In order to run, we run in terminal in our APS code. We click the terminal, and then we can see our project, and we will run the terminal. Our command that we run is we use one command that we run is as we can see, we use in order to run the application, we use command .NET run. Okay, .NET run, we can run the application. So we will get the information such as the localhost and port that we are running. Localhost, if we run application, web application inside by local servers, yes, okay, and that we just running in the local server, and we use that it make default ports for us to see data or web application via browser. Okay, we can use command, okay, with type .NET run in order to run web application. Okay, and now we press enter, and you can see the information during its building and running web application. Okay, you can wait a moment, and it will see the URL in order to run the web application. We can run via localhost URL, and we can see the port. You can click to following in order to open the browser when you want to view the browser, because now our web application is running via the command .NET run. As you can see, that we can click and view application, or we can try here. Okay, thank you for watching this video. In the video that we learn how to run a web application step by step. In next video, we will learn something relevant to our tutorial in ASP.NET, and we will create the project step by step. Thank you for watching the video. Please share my video. Thank you.